I like that you got the floor that folds down, so you got a place to put your feet.
Exactly, yep. So that chair turns around so that we have extra seating up there. This table folds up and down. The bed is Murphy bed, so it just folds down. There's still room to come through here. Then we have all of our storage in there. TVs on the swivel, little refrigerator. Got the RV sink and stove so we can still bake. And then we've just got a dry toilet and storage. And then on the back porch we have our shower and our Jeep. Oh, and our sunflower stained glass. So we just magnet up the shower curtain here when we're showering because there are instant hot water heaters right there.
Oh, okay.
And then both of these boxes have cushions so we can flip them over and the board stays on when we're driving. And those are our shower curtains.
Nice.
We have Travis's Jeep on the bed right now, and then my Jeep we tow behind. That's the black and green one. Because we go off-roading all over the country, so we like to do rock climbing with the Jeeps. So that's why that's our common question.
And it's so stealthy.
Oh yeah, you would never
Nobody
know.
pays any attention at all.
No, actually, we think it's more of a the way we get away with a lot of the places that we park is people are just thinking, what even is this? Like, what? You know, so we get that reaction the most where people are just, wow.
Sure.
You know? So.
And I have seen some of the reaction online when somebody posts a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. So that's our little house.
Hey,
And we've got solar. We've got golf cart batteries that we run on. So we've got the solar charging them. We've got we can charge them off the alternator with the DC to DC charger.
Yep.
And then we also have a generator if we need to.
Yeah, I just put in a DC to DC.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh yeah, it's nice, right? So you're powered up by the time you get there. Yep.
Hey, well, thank you. Oh, and social media, people want to get a hold of you, something.
Big Blue Hauler is our Instagram name. And then if you have a bus and you want to come to a meetup, we do the Schoolie Swarm. And you can check that out on Facebook. We've got one coming up in February in Missouri. And then we do the annual one in Florida in February. So Schoolie Swarm.
When's the one in Missouri?
Missouri is September 4th through the 12th. Yep. So that one's called Swarm in the Ozarks.
Right.
Yep.
Cool.
So check us out.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.